to see how I styled this wig and my review on my thoughts about the wig, continue watching, and yeah, hope you enjoy. Please like and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching. I got this wig off of Hair So Fly, What Lace, Swiss lace wig, 100% premium fiber. So this is how the package looks and whatnot. And this is what the inside looks like. 3 combs, 2 on the outside and then 1 on the bottom. And this lace, actually, I'm not mad at it. Like, it can be hidden. We'll work with it. We'll work with it. Okay, so let's get into this. Get into this wig. Like, it's pretty good. Hey y'all, so I'm starting off with just combing out the hair. Yeah, that's pretty much all I'm doing in this clip. From what I can see right now, it did not lie. The clip, from it having clips to the hairline being pre-plucked and everything, and then having baby hairs already, like, I'm impressed. And yeah, I don't really have any complaints so far, but we will see how it looks once I get it on. So I will catch you in a jiffy. Okay, so the lace has been cut, as you can see. And then go from there. Yes, I'm a fan. And now it is a little bit ashy. Okay, so since I said that the hairline was really ashy, I'm just gonna go ahead and go in with my Black Radiance contour palette and make it a little bit darker. Okay, so let me just go ahead and explain myself. I do not feel like fooling around with the wig cap method and like trying to cut off and everything, because it never works out for me. So I'm just gonna go ahead and put this Got To Be glued on my forehead, and then I found that it can just air dry and it'll be just as tacky as if you used a blow dryer. So I'm just gonna let that sit, and then once it's ready, I'm just gonna go ahead and place the lace on top. So now that the lace is glued down, the next step is just going in with the Got To Be freeze spray and spraying everything to make sure that it's actually down on my head. And what I do for this is basically just do one spot at a time, and I try to do the sideburn part first because that's the part that I usually have the most difficulty with. So you can either use like a finger or like a rat tail comb, I'm sorry, but I didn't have a rat tail comb, so you're gonna see me using my crochet needle. Don't even come for me, I know, ratchet. After I'm done blow drying and everything, I'm just gonna go ahead and go in with the alcohol, rubbing alcohol, and go ahead and get the excess crusties off of my forehead. Okay, so now I'm just gonna go ahead and go in with this hot comb, and I know that the wig said that it could handle between 350 and 400 heat, and this hot comb had to be freaking 500 heat setting because it was ripping out my hair at first. Like, I'm telling y'all, I was scared. But anyway, so I'm just going in and brushing or combing everything away from the hairline and then just trying to like pat some of the hair down. So yes, the wig already came with baby hairs, but I wanted something a little bit like more dramatic. So I'm just gonna go ahead and pull some hairs out and then cut it. I tried to do it at like an angle so that it looked more realistic. And then I'm gonna go in with some Eco Styler and just go ahead and do my edges. Hey guys, okay, so now that the wig is on properly, my face is beat and whatnot, let's get into the review. So I read the reviews before I had even gotten the wig and everything, and they did say that it got really tangly really easily, and that is true. However, I do kind of like the texture because I feel like it's just like, it kind of mimics my actual hair if it were to get straightened. And so for that reason, I don't know, I kind of just vibe with it more. And then I know that like when I straighten my hair, it gets tangled like really easily. And so, not that my hair is like synthetic textured, but that's kind of the vibe that it's giving me. Like, it's not like super straight to where it's like, oh yeah, like that's clearly, you know, but like you could clearly tell that this is. As far as the lace goes, the lace was pretty easy to work with, and I'm a beginner and it's not even like, as you can tell, it doesn't look that great, but it was pretty easy to work with for me. And so for that reason, I would say that this wig was pretty, it did what it had to do. And so yeah, and you can part it anywhere really, off to the side if you wanted, or do a middle part. And like the package said, it can withstand heat up to 350 to 400 degrees. And so yeah, I'm pretty impressed with this. It does shed a bit and it does get tangly, but overall, like, this is a power move. If you wanna flex, get this wig. And this was the Kiyari wig in the shade 1B from the What Lace line. And I'm impressed. I'm just gonna say that. It's really honestly easy to work with. I wish this would have been like first wig type thing, like maybe one of the first wigs I would have gotten, because this was really easy to work with, honestly. The baby hairs came in clutch. I did have to cut off, you know, do my own thing with it, but I'm still fairly impressed. Like, you feel me? I am not good at laying wigs, and you can clearly see, you know, you can see that, but still, this is better than, you know, what you usually would do with me, so I am pretty pleased. And yeah, that's all for today's video. I hope you enjoyed. Please like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.